Nothing beats grilling season. The smell of smoke, the sizzle of good food hitting the heat. It's my favorite time of year. And today, we're making something special. Cedar-Planked salmon with a fresh fruit glaze, paired with a crisp arugula salad. Smoky, sweet, tangy, this dish is packed with flavor and is perfect for a laid-back Sunday in the sun. First things first, soak your cedar plank. If you skip this step, you'll end up with a bonfire instead of a dinner. At least an hour is best, but longer is even better. This keeps the wood from catching fire and allows it to slowly smolder, infusing that rich cedar flavor into the salmon. While this soaks, we're going to get our fruit salad ready. Dice up some mangoes and slice those strawberries. These are going to add brightness to both our salmon and salad. For the dressing, we're keeping it clean and simple. Olive oil, fresh lemon juice, salt, and pepper. That's it. No need to overcomplicate something that's already perfect. Now, let's start our glaze. This is where the magic happens. We're combining honey, orange juice, balsamic vinegar, Dijon mustard, and a touch of garlic powder. Let that simmer for about 5 minutes until it slightly thickens. Important note, honey thickens as it cools, so don't overreduce it. You want it a little runny now so it finishes with the perfect texture. Time to head outside. Just have to make it past the final boss. Fire up the grill and set the flames about halfway. Hot enough to cook, but not so intense that we turn our planks into charcoal. Before we get to the salmon, let's pre-smoke the planks. Lay them directly on the grill for about 2 to 3 minutes. This deepens the cedar aroma and preps them to work their magic. Now let's talk salmon. We keep it simple but effective. Salt, pepper, and a little smoked paprika. Give it a quick massage to coat it evenly. This helps build that delicious crust. Place the salmon on a plank and let it smoke for a couple of minutes before adding the glaze. This is a layering process. Apply the glaze in stages, letting it absorb between coats. Cook time, about 10 to 12 minutes, depending on thickness. The last 2 minutes are key. This is when we add the mango and blueberries. Let them soften slightly so their juices blend with the glaze. Now back inside, it's salad time. We're tossing together arugula, fresh strawberries and blueberries, crunchy sliced almonds, some creamy goat cheese, that bright lemon dressing we made earlier. Give it a quick toss and we're ready to plate. And that's it, plated fresh and absolutely loaded with flavor. Smoky cedar, sweet and tangy glaze, juicy salmon, and a crisp fresh salad to tie it all together. Bon appetit. As always, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, check out my burrito taco video. I'll have it linked here at the end. I'll see you over there.